Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how secure Goodbudget is for your financial information. When evaluating any budgeting platform, data protection is a primary concern, and Goodbudget implements several measures to keep user data secure. At the foundational level, Goodbudget protects all submitted user data using 256-bit bank-grade encryption. This level of encryption ensures that data transmitted between your device and their servers is securely scrambled and stored within protected data centers. Furthermore, the company explicitly states that they do not sell or rent user data or personally identifiable information to third parties. A major factor in how secure the app feels comes down to how you choose to use it. If you utilize the free version of Goodbudget, you practice manual entry. This means you do not link your bank accounts or share your banking login credentials directly with the app. Because no direct digital bridge exists between your bank and Goodbudget in the free tier, the risk of a third-party bank breach through the app is virtually eliminated. For users on the paid tier who opt to use the automatic bank sync feature, the connection is handled through trusted third-party financial data aggregators like Plaid. These services maintain strict security protocols and industry standards, meaning Goodbudget itself does not store your actual bank account usernames or passwords on their servers. However, users should always practice good personal security habits. Goodbudget does not require sensitive data like full credit card numbers, social security numbers, or specific bank account strings to function, and users should avoid typing such sensitive details into general description fields or payee notes within their households. Overall, the platform offers robust encryption standards and a firm privacy policy, making it a secure option for digital envelope budgeting as long as users manage their account credentials responsibly. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.